Function can be defined by function followed by the name of the function with parentheses. To distinguish from the built-in function, the function name has to start with a capital letter. To call the function, use call with the name of the function with parentheses. You cannot define the function with the same name twice, so to override the previous function, you can add bang to the function. If you want to know the implementation of some of the function, maybe from some plugin, go to the command line and use the same command as defining a new function, but this time just the name of the function without the parentheses. Adding a bang here will remove the line numbers when being displayed. If you want to know where the function was defined, then you can use the same command with verbose in front of it. It displays the file path of the file in which the function was defined. You can also include a function argument. One key difference with Vimscript is that you have to add a colon to refer to the function argument inside the function. Otherwise, it gives an error. So name and a colon name is two different variables. Here, one is nobody, and another is the function argument, which I passed in as the man. You can also set a default value for the function argument. The default value is used only when the function was called without any argument.